All right, this machine is called the Lat Pull Down. This one is gonna work the big muscle through the back body, right through here. This is your lats. With this one, we have a couple of different things that we can move and adjust to make this machine work best for us. The first one is the pin on the legs. This one locks your legs into place so that you're able to pull the maximum amount of weight. The next thing that we can adjust is our actual weight stack. First, let's go through the leg pin. For this one, I always like to have it at the top location. So pull that pin out, raise it to the top, and then take a seat onto the machine itself. Once you're there, pull the pin out and allow that to drop down on top of your legs. You should press down until you hear that click. Once you've heard that click and this is pinned down to your legs, you can then stand up off of the machine and select your weight. Moving forward to this pin, we're going to bring it down to a weight of your choosing. Again, if you feel that maybe 55 pounds or whatever you've selected is a bit too light, but the next step up is too heavy, you can use the half step. These are our half steps here. They sit right on top of the weight stack itself to make it just a little bit heavier. Now, we'll go ahead, grab onto our lat pull down bar, nice and wide. I typically go 1 to 2 hand grips out from that bend in the bar that you can see here. Taking a seat down onto the machine itself, having your legs pinned down to the machine, we are going to lean back about 5 to 10 degrees. From that point, you are going to pull straight down to your chest, tap, and then allow it to come back up. Again, pulling straight down, tap, and then allow this to raise. Once you are finished, we want to stand up until you hear the weight stack go fully down. Once you've done that, you are good to go. That is all you need to know for our lat pull down. There is another grip that you can utilize with this machine to target the lats a little bit further. This is called our close grip bar, and it looks like a V. You're going to grab onto that close grip bar, take a seat down onto the machine itself, get your legs locked into place, hands above the head, slight lean back, belly button to spine, nice deep inhale, and on your exhale, pull down to the chest and tap. And then allow it to come back up. Once you've stood back up and the weight stack is fully resting down, let go of that handle, and that's all you need to know for a close grip lat pull down. Another option for grips with lat pull down is to use a bar that can give you many different options. The nice thing about this bar is that we can do an inward grip lat pull down at a very wide angle. I'm going to show you how to do this one. We are going to take a seat, legs lock in, slight lean back, hands on our grips here. Nice deep inhale. On the exhale, pull straight down, tap, and allow that to come back up. And up. Standing back up prior to switching grip, you can also use a reverse grip to target more of the biceps and into the lats as well. Lower lats are mostly targeted in this exercise. We lean back, pull down, and tap, and then allow it to come back up. Feel free to use any of these grips to differentiate your workout and target different portions of the lat. That's all you should need to know about this grip.